The green grams, the stew was so thick and tasty, delicious too. We are preparing some Ndengu or green grams, and I'll start by adding about a tablespoon of cooking oil, and once it's hot I'm going to go in with my onions. I'm going to saute the onions. I'm not going to let them become golden brown, and once they start becoming translucent I'm going to go in with my tomatoes. These tomatoes were very disappointing because after even chopping them into very small sizes, they were not becoming a paste as I really wanted them to. And in today's recipe you can notice that I'm not using tomato paste because I've substituted it with some other ingredients that I'm going to be showing you in a few. And after adding my tomatoes, I'm going to go in with my ginger and garlic paste that I've made in a previous episode. You should probably check it out. It's a life and time saver. I'll stir it and add a little bit of salt so that my tomatoes can dehydrate a little bit quicker. Cover it and cook it for about a minute or two, and then I'll be back. So for the vegetables today, I've decided to go in with some baby marrow, capsicum and some coriander stems. I normally use tomato paste in place of baby marrow, but you should try this with some baby marrow. Baby marrow is also called courgette or zucchini. I almost forgot that. And the baby marrow really helps in thickening of the soup. And for the spices, today I decided to go in with some paprika and roiko. You can just leave it at that, or you can add any other spice that you prefer. I'll add them, then add a little bit of water and cook them for about a minute also, and then I'll be back to add my other ingredient. With me I have my frozen green grams. That means I basically boiled them a few weeks ago and then stored them, but I did not have the time to leave them on the countertop so that they can defrost. I'm going to add them into my pan and then I'll stir a little bit, then add some water. I'm also going to add the most misused ingredient in this kitchen of mine, and that is some soy sauce. The soy sauce helps to enhance the color and it gives your green grams a very rich color, and I vouch for that. I'll stir it and then I'm going to simmer this on medium low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. By then everything should be well combined and we should have a very thick stew. See, my green grams look yummy and they are ready. I'm going to garnish them with some cilantro or coriander, and see you on the other side as we do some serving and tasting. The green grams, the stew was so thick and tasty, delicious too, and I'm sure if at all you're going to try out this recipe, you're also going to fall in love with it. So that's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you also learned something new, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye.